Question 26, have a go. So first thing to do, we're dealing with I here, so rearrange V equals IR to have I being V over R. Now we're trying to calculate the lower bound of I, so we're making I as small as possible. We're trying to minimize it. Now where you're dividing something by another thing, to minimize I, you want the numerator V to be as small as possible and the denominator R to be as big as possible. So we're minimizing V, we're maximizing R. When you divide two things like this to get the smallest answer, small divided by big is as small as you can get. So we want V to be as small as possible. Now V is 218 correct to three significant figures. Now the smallest that can be, which still rounds to 218, is 217.5. That would round up to 218. Anything less than that would round down to 217. Now what about the maximum value of R? Now R is 12.6 correct to three significant figures. Now the absolute biggest value this can be, truly be, is actually 12.649 recurring. Okay, now for the purposes of bounds questions, they expect you to choose to use 12.65 because that's as close to 12.649 recurring as you can get. Now it doesn't matter that would in theory round up to 12.7. We know that, and we know that you know that, but 12.65 is the one to use. If you just can't bring yourself to do that, use 12.649 recurring, but do not use 12.649. That is too low. Okay, that is not high enough. Excuse me, that is not high enough. So either 12.65 or 12.649999. Then get your calculator out, divide that by that, and we get this. And as it doesn't say otherwise, I would write down all of your figures.